Friends, see this video. This old man, what he doing? He collecting the dust soil front of the jeweler shop, and he bagged that all soil, and he going through the one street. I am followed him. What he doing with the dust soil like that? He went at the drainage canal, which is the flowing canal, the drainage canal, and he forward the dust soil which he bagged from the bag into the iron bowl, and he sat there, and after then he watering the water into the dust soil, and after then he steering that very gently that soil with the water, and milling that one, and moving. That time I asked him, what you are doing with the dust soil like that? I asked him. He replied that we daily collecting the dust soil different ways of the jeweler shop like that. He said that, and he replied that. After then I asked another question, what we do with that dust soil, what is the use of like that I asked. He said that this dust soil contain the valuable minerals such like gold and the silver like that. He given the answer, and he said daily we collecting the valuable minerals from the dust soil 0.3 to 0.4 grams like that he said, and he showing me which is the blackish, that one is a valuable minerals like that he said to me. And he said that we sold these valuable minerals which contain the gold and silver, that we sold to the metallurgist person like that he said to me. See friends, he is showing which is the blackish, that that is a the valuable minerals like that he said, and he bought along with him one steel tin. After then he uh, served into the steel tin, that which is the remain the dust particles, which is the contain the valuable minerals. He served into the steel tin. That one friends, he said daily we earned 2 to 3,000 like that. He given the he said to me that one.